In 2024, the top vacuuming robots include the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus, Roborock S8, and Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. Each model offers unique features catering to different cleaning needs. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is renowned for its advanced AI navigation and powerful suction, making it particularly effective for homes with pets. It features a self-emptying base and integrates well with smart home devices, allowing for easy scheduling and customization through the iRobot app. However, its high price, often exceeding $900, may be a barrier for some users. While it excels on hard floors and low-pile carpets, it can struggle with thicker carpets and may occasionally miss spots due to navigation quirks. The Roborock S8 offers a blend of strong performance and value, boasting a maximum suction power of 6,000 PA and an efficient mopping function. Its long battery life allows for extended cleaning sessions, and the user-friendly Roborock app makes it easy to monitor and schedule cleaning tasks. However, the mopping feature may not replace traditional methods for heavy stains, and it sometimes misses debris along edges. Priced around $600, it provides great features without the highest price tag. The Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni stands out with its dual vacuum and mop functionality, complete with a scrubbing system for effective cleaning. Its auto-empty station minimizes maintenance needs, and it utilizes advanced AI navigation to customize cleaning routes. However, its price can reach around $1,200, which might deter budget-conscious buyers. Some users have noted its bulkiness and occasional connectivity issues with the app. Ultimately, choosing the right vacuum robot depends on your specific needs. The Roomba J7 Plus is ideal for pet owners, the Roborock S8 is great for value and versatility, and the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni offers high-end features for those willing to invest. Each model has proven effective, so consider your priorities to find the best fit for your home.